So what if I told you that you could make up to $6,521 in commission just in 1 month by promoting affiliate links using free traffic? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not only possible, but I did it. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps, reveal my top performing strategies, and give you the tools you need to make it happen. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss these methods that I will share with you. And let's get started. I made this commission just in one single month, in the month of June. From the first day of June until the day 30 of June, I made $6,521. This is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots. I can click over here. I have my dashboard, marketing tools, report, payment, postback, sub-affiliate commission plan, and so on. Okay. Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, so follow those steps. Step number one, go to Google, okay, and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are paying good commission. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. Anyway, just click over here on join now to create your affiliate account. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, you can say yes or no. Choose your country over here and choose your language. Okay, it's super easy. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just answer next few questions and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that you will promote on YouTube. Yes, we will use YouTube to get free traffic and I will share with you how we can do it. So how we can choose good and profitable services. All you have to do, step number 2, go to YouTube, okay? Open your YouTube homepage like this. It's super easy, just open your YouTube homepage. Why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors. You can see how much traffic you can get from YouTube if you do it correctly. Guys, you can get so much traffic for free from YouTube. Free traffic. 31 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number. YouTube is the second search engine after Google. Google is number 1 and YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Okay? Google is number 1, YouTube is number 2. Anyway, just go to your YouTube homepage and click on the search over here and ask questions. So for example, we will ask let's say for example, how to make YouTube thumbnail, for example. And here you go. YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. Okay, report search prediction. People are searching for those topics right now on YouTube. How to make YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop, how to make YouTube thumbnails in Canva, how to make YouTube thumbnail with Instagram, how to make YouTube thumbnail in Pixel, how to make YouTube thumbnail in CapCut. So what I will do, I will go to Fiverr, okay? I will go to Fiverr, I will click on the search and I will search for YouTube thumbnail service, okay? Search for YouTube thumbnail. We will promote services related to those topics that people are searching for on YouTube, okay? So search for YouTube thumbnail, pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If you have and because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers. If they find those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose, let me see, I'm gonna choose for example this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service like this. So let's choose this one, and this one has video that's really good. People can watch this video about his service. So just click on his service, okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. 8 orders in queue, a lot of reviews, that's really good. All you have to do now is you just need to copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. We will click on his video. Let's check his video. That's really good. As you can see, this seller is showing to his customers how he will make their thumbnails, their YouTube thumbnails, how he will create those thumbnails. And that, as you can see, it's really making good work. That's a really good service. Look at this. That's really amazing. Good thumbnail. Okay, it's really good. So what you will do next, you will double click on the video and you will click on save video. Save this video to your laptop. Okay, this seller is a really good seller. That's a professional work. Click on save video. I'm gonna name it video. I'm gonna name it thumbnail like this. Click on save. So just save this video to your laptop. After you finish, go to Google again and search for Canva like this. Okay, search for Canva. It's super easy, just search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. So just click over here on video and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload, click on upload file. Okay, and upload this video about thumbnail service. Click on open. And here you go, your video will be over here. Click on your video and your video will be over here on Canva. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background. And here you go, click on text. Okay, and scroll down. Choose which text style you want to use. I'm gonna use this one. Just click on any text style you want to use. Just make sure it's looking good. Okay, I'm gonna delete this second one and I will use just this one. Okay, let me show you. I'm gonna delete this one and I will keep just using this one. Click on this one and I will make it show. I will decrease the font size of this text like this. Double click on this text and write this sentence. Check link in my description like this. Okay, check link in my description. Then click over here on elements, scroll down, go to shapes and choose this one. I'm gonna choose this one. Click on this ship and put this one behind your text like this. Okay, it's super easy, and that's it. And here you go, you just created your video for your affiliate link. So let's check now. Okay, I'm gonna put this text here. Okay, let me see. I will put this text here, and I will make it small, just like this. Okay, so here it's looking good. Let's check now. So people who will watch this video, people who are interested to make YouTube thumbnails for their YouTube videos to get more views, more subscribers, and to grow their YouTube channels, they will watch this video. They will see this seller is providing a really good service. He can make good and professional YouTube thumbnails, as you can see. They will see this, check link in my description. They will check your YouTube description, and what you will do is you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. So after you finish, click on share and click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. After you finish, go to your YouTube channel, open a YouTube channel. It's for free. It's gonna take just 1 minute, and you just need to use your email address. Super easy to create a YouTube channel. After you finish, upload this video, put this title, how to make YouTube thumbnails. Okay, just like this, use the same title, don't add or change anything, just use this title like this. Okay, in your YouTube description, because your title should have the same keywords that people are using to search for those topics. Okay, that's why you should use the same title. If you want your video to rank in the search results, if you want people to find your video in the search results of YouTube, in your YouTube description, put the same title. For example, in this step-by-step tutorial, I show you how to make YouTube thumbnails. Check link in my description. Check link below, okay? And you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and you will copy your affiliate link from here. Because for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this one, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Start promoting services that people are searching for. Start promoting services related to topics that people are searching for on YouTube. You will help those people to grow their YouTube channels. You will earn commission. Those people will grow their YouTube channels. They will get more views, more subscribers, and this seller on Fiverr will get more orders and make more money. So it's win-win. Everyone will win in this business, and that's it. That's how it works. It's not easy, but it's very simple. The business model is very simple. It's not easy, of course, it's not easy. You need to search for specific services and see which services people are searching for, which services will help people to grow their businesses, and you need to create content for those services that you want to promote, and you need to stay consistent. But if you stay and if you do it correctly, if you follow those steps, you can make a lot of money every single month just by using these methods for free. Free traffic takes time, okay? So you should know that free traffic takes time. You need to grow your account and you need to promote a lot of videos. YouTube, if you are using YouTube, there is no limit. You can upload 10 videos per day, 20 videos per day, 50 videos per day, no limit, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.